In the middle of Chicago, they're always like, agriculture, what is it? I love telling people that I go to school and have beef cattle. So it's pretty different, but it's most definitely an experience that I'd like for everybody to have.
I'm gonna be honest with you, they come in here, they don't even know the difference between a fruit or a vegetable. They don't know where their food comes from. They don't know like how honeybees are super important.
Modern agriculture looks different for urban students versus the rural students. It is tough coming from an urban area because most of these kids are far removed from farming. I myself, I'm generations removed. And consumer perception plays a big role in our ag industry right now.
I've always known that I wanted to be a veterinarian. I didn't really know that being a vet was agriculture in the first place, but once I got here, I understood more. So now I want to be in ag so that I can help animals, of course, but I also like the food side of it, like making our own produce.
We're getting more students and more people that are super excited and passionate about ag because, come on, it's Illinois. Like, we need people in these positions. We need people that are going to be like food pioneers.
I also try to expand the students' knowledge of careers. I try and show them that there's jobs, even if you want to go into the business side, like you can be an accountant for, a big company like Syngenta. Even if the student comes through my program and they still decide, I'm going to go into a different career field, a non-ag career field, I at least know that that individual student understands where their food comes from.